Mons typewriting and Sangareddy beside Sitara Theatre building. Now we are introducing short course, minimum fees, complete course. This is our motto. So our course will be starting newly speed typing course. Speed typing. What is this? Speed typing means not monthly basis. So we will type 6 months, not like this. So 30 working days we will provide. Working days only. Housewives, either maybe semi-star system candidates, non-local candidates, into daily 2 hours practice. 2 hours daily. This is one course. This fee structure, so actually it is general candidates 1800. Through talent test, they will be considered up to 10 members. So first ranker, it is common. So first ranker 50%. 2 to 5 rankers. %25. Concession. Not pay, concession. This course. Okay. These are given in the course of the speed typing course. It is no need of pressure of to writing of the technical board examination. It is a personal their learning opinion. Okay, 2 to 5 rankers, 25%. This is speed typing course we are providing. Okay, and second thing, if they want the certificate, English lawyer, one time attempted candidate, already attempted candidate. This is provided to the already attempted candidates only. అంటే ఒకసారి రాసి ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, అంటే ఫెయిల్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా హయ్యర్కు వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళు అవి కూడా ఉండవచ్చు. హయ్యర్ గ్రేడ్కి వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉండవచ్చు. వీళ్ళకి డైలీ 2 hours ప్రాక్టీస్. డైలీ 2 hours ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్లస్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫీ ఈజ్ కామన్. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫీ కామన్ అమ్మ. దిస్ వన్ ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్ 1500 ప్లస్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫీజు, దిస్ ఈజ్ కామన్. టోటల్ ఫీజ్ for 5000. For 5000 rupees total fee. If they are attempted this course, we will provide in the same process. Speed typing or one time attempted candidates, lower or higher, in English only, not Telugu. This is the offers. These are offers of Mons Institute. Mons Steno and Type Institute. This is a YouTube channel. Check out. Watch it also. Institute. Interested candidates 9490149660 for enrolling purpose of this concession test. Okay, fee structure. Okay, it will be announced on 4/11/21 12:30 AM. Okay, thank you.